Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this video is about how to do your own lighting in your own home so you can upgrade your house to a beautiful luxury feel at a very affordable price. This is a how-to video on how to install lighting fixtures by yourself. I found LMS Lighting Company. It's a great lighting company for great designs. They manufacture all their lighting to great standards in a quality way. They focus on unique designs that are modern, yet traditional. That was perfect for my style of home. Let me show you what I got and how I installed it. I ordered some LMS Pendant lights. These are one lights. They hang down. They have a brushed brass finish as well, and it's a sleek, elegant design with a white globe glass lampshade. That's the round circular globe below that you see here. I unpacked it from the box it came in, and these are the pieces that came with it. I put the bulb in, and we were ready for Action Jackson. This pendant light is adjustable. This is what it looks like long, but I ended up taking out one of the sections. Each section is 19.5 inches because I wanted mine shorter because I have a lower ceiling. This is how I installed it. After taking down the previous fixture, which wasn't hard, it was simply unscrewing some things. I turned off the lights. I took the wires down with a pair of handy-dandy pliers. I unscrewed the orange caps to expose the wires. And then I brought the fixture of the pendant lights up to the plate in my ceiling. I threaded the grounding wire up through the silver plate and I attached it around a screw that was in there. That's what you're supposed to do to ground the fixture. Then I screwed in that silver plate up into the ceiling. I removed the orange plastic connector. I grabbed the white wire, which is a neutral wire, and I twisted it together and placed the orange cap back on with no wires dangling. It's all shoved in there in that orange plastic cap. I removed the black, which is a hot wire, and I twisted those wires together as well. I twisted it really well in order to put the orange cap back onto it with no wires dangling. It's all stuck inside that cap. And then I threaded all the extra wires back into the little round covering that they give you. And then I took my screwdriver out and I just simply screwed in that cover. It was so easy to do. It only took a couple screws and I went around and did the rest. And then I shined it up because it had a few thumbprints and fingerprints all over it. I wanted it to be really pretty and shiny. Remember to do all of this with the power off in your house. That was a simple attachment. And this pendant light will work with your dimmable switch, which is great because you can decide if you want the room bright or you want it lower. You can adjust it to just the lighting you want. Doesn't that look super in my room? It really brings my room up to a much higher, much more luxury feel. I ended up hanging it over my dining table. But if you have an eating bar, oh boy, it would be beautiful in that type of setting too. And then I got two glass wall lights. These are modern wall lamps with a white globe glass. It again has a brushed brass finish on it. This was easy to install as well. Here I am unboxing it. This is what it looks like. These are the parts that it came with. I was careful to turn off the electricity before. That's a key factor. Whenever you're working with electricity, you must know that. The ground wire goes to the ground wire, and the live wire goes to the live wire. And again, I just took the wires from what was there before, and then I hooked them up to this modern wall lamp. Put the bulb in, put the globe on, and then it's time to light up your life. And that's dimmable. There it is bright. There it is dim. I love that feature. It's great for a bedroom or a bathroom, a living room. I love dimmable switches. From top to bottom, it measures about 9 inches, and it sticks out from the wall about 11 inches, and that plate has a 5.5 inch diameter, and it fits right to the wall. Look at that lighting fixture before. Oh my goodness. It was such the time to upgrade it. Now look with LMS lighting. This is the LMS Modern Globe Table Lamp. I opened the box, and this is what came with it. It comes 1 to a pack. It's 7.7 pounds. I found the base sitting on top. Inside was the lamp. It's made with the beautiful brushed brass finish, and it has a white globe glass lampshade on it. The lampshade fits into the design of the brushed brass. It's so easy to set up. I just put the base on it. I screwed in a light bulb. I put on the globe. I placed it really beautifully on this table, and I plugged it in and lit it up. It's a gorgeous, beautiful glow. It sets a beautiful ambiance for my room. Well, I hope you liked this video. Comment and let me know where you need new lighting. Let's talk about decor. Click the link below and check out LMS Lighting. You might like some of their other styles too. They have a whole catalog on their website. It was so exciting to browse through it. They're easy to install. There's no excuse anymore to get some light shining in your life. I'm Rebecca Brown. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. Like a recipe to light up your life. Like, you know, it's getting dark. It's time for me to turn those lights on and enjoy them. If you like this video on lighting, here's some more home decor ideas right over here. Just click one of those.